If you're like a lot of people, you are planning what to do with your estate. And sometimes people decide, well, let me just do a deed and put somebody on the deed to my property. I'm attorney Vernita Williams. Let's talk about the precautions and cautions of putting somebody on the deed to your property. Many times, many times people will come to me and they have a deed and they've been placed on the deed to a property. And when the person put them on the deed, they thought they were creating a deed such that if they passed away, the person they added on would be the single and only owner. Most of the time, the deed is not drafted properly. They intended to do a joint tenancy with right of survivorship, but what they did was a tenants in common, and it was sort of like the opposite of what they were trying to do. Are you somebody that created a deed and you created more problems for yourself than answers? Well, I want you to check out my book, pages 100 and 101, and it will explain to you some things that you need to think about if you have either put somebody on the deed to your property or if you are thinking about putting someone on the deed to your property. Look at my new book. It's called Make a Will, Do It Right, or the one you don't like will end up with all your stuff. And if you did the deed improperly, somebody you don't want to have the property will end up with it. So check out my new book. Click the link below and you can purchase the book there, and you can get other resources as well, including an estate planning summary chart that tells you 8 questions you need to answer when you do an estate plan. You can get 25 tips to help you avoid legal nuisances and nightmares. And you can also get a checklist of 25 things to do to set your affairs in order. It's good material. Check out the link below.